ade NDC aban ye no ye ni nye ho ade NDC aban ba ye bosumi numpe omode ye fa kwan a president Muhammad ye nam so ye ni nye ho kura ade boni na MPP aban ye mfie wotwe ye boni ye ni say the free education ba kwala ye boni ye ni say 30,000 kilometers of road ye boni ye ni say national teacher training allowance restore ye boni ye ni say TVET ye boni ye ni say this time school ba ye ade boni na MPP aban ye NDC for ye president Muhammad amafo ngwatwe mompo ni achema kuto otu galam say yadi kamera kwati so mo muntimi kwachi no na chema huntimi watchi for 48 hours and then na chema huntimi boni pen and wodi aye president Muhammad and this for aso mani ase MPP for so say dia na enye say mo mpese betro mani mo ka na MPP for yan tunko ni abra ni atiti amafo the fake certificate e be the appointment e be sin na muntimi kwachi no e dia na chema huntimi aye e dia na MPP for ya ade na president Muhammad wo tete abra bossa ade na wo ti akuma ya bra sa mo mpese betro mani wa mo kan yan tunko
NPP supporters omon say omo entiasie na NDC and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama on release chama Wontumi na just video hwe political mavis ono na ne bo afu din ewo enai Prophet Kofi Oduro abusia wono so abe blast NPP supporters no na abusia we kirema was supporters ni bi okrampo a kom kopie mu oyokofu anim wonom no Abraham na omo ehu di omo nya na abusia we kiremu omo kra kwa omo ko honom no omo nim reason ti omo nim chama Wontumi story no ni beginning di kwesi ending kom ko kra no eva so bia amfa amomo eriti Prophet Kofi Oduro wa blast NPP supporters ni nyina aha yalan media Ghana abusia ba so wa share wa like wa commenting so amafoforo enya bi a share say what Europe and as America na person say this ka ever man odofu bi Ghana anum say nko ade abuja wetini use send wave money transfer app no na ode ascend this say salary na eba na yenwanu kremofo no adofo wa no obetini ascend e de amom say transfer e de agu mobile money wallet so ana bank account so e de amani pa ko ne nko ade we use this app ya ebebu na person first transaction no unya $20 free dia abuja betini use a promo code JSXM2 and the screen is we use our first transaction no ubenya $20 free. I will say nyina hu say enai die ye chama Wontumi ensensem ending of May na start ye na chese ye dia babewura June yi mu die na say ye de kwa ne sa ye nyina ye tete say ye national security for ekogopie mu na kache ehun sensem no mbedura ne kwa CID for ensensem ne de ekokoye bebere sanse o so hwemu a chama Wontumi sika bi ni ade bi corruption bi e dey akukọ koso ehun sem no ababie de jedidi mam na yokofo eba bedua ye chama Wontumi ede ne ekoko too much is with them no na NPP supporters kokopie mo mo afu den ni nyina ne se yokofo en release chama Wontumi enye sa omo nyeden omo entiase na abusuan yehu ya NPP for party no ekuo ni dom ni nyina na chese ye minority leader afenyoma ki wodi animu na se kwofo aka support na omo nyina akwobodompem yokofo animu se chenchina omo en release chama Wontumi na re videos ni bia abra na so nkopie mu omo atena form seb so omo anyi chama Wontumi anya de so omo so omo ebe kofie na no eni yetise yokofo de 50 million Ghana cedis ato chama Wontumi so otu ya na so matimi release na nsem no eba be de NPP for supporters na afi NPP MPs ni bi edwen ho omo ntia sese da bi omo mpene so omo gya chama Wontumi ho no obetina ma ade achiko system omo be release chama Wontumi asa video we ebe trendy wo social media ne so na busuya da sorry Prophet Kofi Oduro Alabasta software we jimi so say pa ha wono enye wa be blast NPP supporters no na ho ene okochem say munim die ntia chama Wontumi da munim die oyeye mape ehun asem mahuni yakofa ba ye nei chama Wontumi NDC aban His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ache no atum ana abusia ensem de wabru bi super yenti emowram ewo Prophet Kofi Oduro akachi ni enti ensem no enyina.
Stop your nonsense. Then where is the rule of law? Me am Jina na police for abeche me na Alabasta France or no ma be Jina police. Police I am premo unim niema. mindset of this nation disappear. Unim Nehemiah. You free. Unim Nehemiah. So then, why are you there with a blind loyalty? Why? Mama no kure enye adwuma. Atentene enye adwuma. Peri ye manenye adwuma. Are you hearing me? Yeah! Stop your nonsense. Is it just somebody ye nebe kata no kure ne so? Is that what you want to do? This is how you want to build your nation? You call Europe driving on the they say, the limit is 30. You can't drive more than 30 kilometers in Amsterdam. 30 kilometers. Because we try a camera, 200 euros. The next day, 20 beba become. The next day, 20 open go to you. It keeps multiplying. Kobe BSI 100. What the upper Cobro 100? Motorway that is connected Almere and Amsterdam. Catch me, brother. Me dem pay speed or say nyaha. No, nyaha. That's why we 4 days here. We be free. Hana 5,000. There is the offer. Yachimu. The divisional commander, your friend Abuaje. Kajan sa open commander Abuaje number. Abuaje, me boy no watching no. Jan Marengo. What kind of nonsense is this? My just say. Mon Abuaje Jan Marengo. Oh Jan Man, unim near why. We are the only way. And this is the thing. We are sorry them. And we are praying, God, bless our nation. God does not bless nonsense. Change your mind. See someone first message Jesus preach. Repent. Simply means
na busia wey any sembia prophet Kofi Oduro ototo de mane eye NPP supporters ni bi I was say mon konkopɛ de enam so ana de property a chama Wontumi ye nei eye excellency John Dramani Mahama adoa no ede no atum na busia eno enia ye nua bema eye Amari Shako ono so akọ granting interview about eye residents ana so mo abotete memufo bi eno mo edidi di nkomo ne ho eno ebi mu kwa akọchire se enye so mo ye NPP for ena enye so mo ye NDC for omo die oman ne nkoso eno mo pe na amafo bi nchire mu chire macha Wontumi de hwe no mo anyino esanse sika wadi sika de man so mfa anya kwan a wanya wadi nyina no se NDC aban ena afi Ghana mampanyin eye John Dramani Mahama ebehwe amachama Wontumi atua sika ni esanse na japade ne gold awotu TV stations o japade achama Wontumi beti social media no se Wontumi entua saka ne dia ene omonto ase na bema ba ku bi so achire ma wo chire ma sama Wontumi ye nua pa na busua ensem edie omabru bi so eyere omone Amaro Shako ene twetwe nkomo yenhwe nyehwe supporters ne so reactions abra echecha ma Wontumi atumu no ento aso
chama Wontumi de me abani ni dikra me mani beje ho ba
abani ni dia
oh mani beje ho me MPP ni bet no kra na America no enje
me Wontumi ye me busuani chama Wontumi papa na di me fie akonya ye friend na nantwi bo si akon nti chama Wontumi ye me bra straight ana me problem a odi abra ye busuafo ye okroma ne say obi ehun wa ohun se obi bi ni Wontumi a na obra baje kwan so oye Wontumi anya enti ye kra problem a wo mu ha no enye ye kra na ye contract ne fansa busuafo ye wa ne ye nkan me say o se kwan we oje gates be ye me wan se kwan no obi a waje gates de e kwan de ye nwi kwan ho se oje gates a enti ahana na nya ka na ne masisi na bi ewu esi ubusa kroma obi abeka akyerɛw
adoaro me de me de pa chama Wontumi so aboga na form contract na o ke ka se wagigi nyina no na ye me ya me kwa me comment video bi ase se ahaka ho
chama Wontumi na nkasa me hunu kromu hada a wode ne machines excavators any pillowers anyaka akọ de begu kromu akwa na nya agu oh first na quota wo so onam so a hu na ye portos ba ku mienu bi keke hwe ebi kra mponi se enso senior since that time now omuji ye no emfuturo ne accident nko na ekun ye kwan
accident
omo ya rari nkra ma ma mani mu na ne cars be nya accident ni se mo no dia
president mama
cars na di na chire pickups no
e be nya accident
o be nya cars two cars e o me farm na ni mu a
chama Wontumi o man dem because je wo ye na wanye ne ye sika no nya wo dia ye se papa ye kwan
ye njeli no
dia wo ye ne abro pa na wo ye no
ha no
ai
e tu ti no abu be sesa gold ni fin no mo fa
efiri amantia kuro bi wo ho no mo Oduro na otu sa anwea na egoru wo to o hese goru wo anwea no ma on fa no mbegu kwan no so da o ma mo be twem
ano de o mo so me won pane pane o mo sa be o ma ne grip grip o be so mo won pane ban mo ya grip anya sa de don don man mama o kipu obi pa woni mra ya de ko promote na du be sis amra du be sis abi o be so kun mra e de don don man mama mo wa fa ye cha mama ya ne no obi npie video ni ana obi yere enko ya ne be da ha yes ya wo ta chema Wontumi no musuro no ya eru to mu di sa no won say 2028 chema Wontumi e be di to me e NPP aban e so mo yare sa no e say energy security for like research no ana ehu say chairman Wontumi e the NPP for yare e ba power e so mo yare sa no because I get a scar o police car no e no dey ehwan sika o police car no ma ja no ehwan sika e yo muni ana hu sika e dey get a scar ni me say car for mo fu ma no tu mo fu ma no ya to ndo ma na me say o ma no
o de ma gara for ya kan wa say why is it carry a tiki amwa I was going to tell you. Now I like to
you go smell pepper I swear you go smell pepper and this 2028 wait for us we go pay back
We are here to support our chairman Wontumi. I think it's been far too long since he's been arrested, and I think the bail conditions are very high. We are all contributing. We are all trying to see if we can contribute.
How much have you contributed so far? You,
personally, if I have $1 million, I'll give it all. But the little I have, I wouldn't want to mention it. But let's see how it goes.
So it means the party people are coming together to contribute.
Because if they are not going to allow us, they are not going to allow people sign bail for him, and they are still going to maintain 50 million, then we all have to come together.
Are you telling me today that 50 million is unprecedented? Nobody has ever been given 50 million bail before?
See, it's too much. 50 million.
No, I'm asking if it's unprecedented.
Well, I've not heard of any case that not the courts, but like a security agency is asking that the person be bailed with 50 million.
Maybe due to the gravity of the case and the offense.
Whatever it is, I mean, even if you go to the courts, there's a human face to everything. He's not a terrorist. He's not killed people. Whatever it is, he will face the courts. 50 million is just too much.
Why are you busing your party people to BNI headquarters?
Our party people are coming in their numbers.
No, they are coming in buses. I saw them coming in buses.
Yeah, of course, because nobody lives around here. Wherever they are, they want to come and join and show support. They obviously gather themselves, pick a trotro and come.
So do you think massing up here is going to solve the problem?
Of course, we need to show support. And like I'm saying, if they are going to demand 50 million, then and they are not going to release him, then we are going to see how best we are also going to contribute and see how we raise that.
I see. So each time I want to be not released to you today, what's going to be happening?
Well, there's a legal way of doing things, so we're going to go by the legal way of doing things.
Thank you.
We are coming in our numbers to show solidarity and support, and then also to plead with the authorities I mean, Charlie, this is just too high. It's just too high. It's just too high.
The man is a rich man.
Oh, it could happen to anybody. If he's that rich and he has 50 million, he will not be here. I'm sure.
Oh, so Chamauntu doesn't have 50
I
million.
don't know his account, but I'm saying if he has 50 million, we will not be standing here.
Thank you.
na je se abusua wei eni se de ekoso ewo my Ghana mianum se ni nyina efa ye chama Wontumi chi ayache no ehwo abusua drop you decent comment or comment section we chance de ye to aba pese chama Wontumi release na se wa drop you comment wo so ka wonkona ko wadam ya Ghana aban amana tua sika ana akro no abo Ghana nyina so also wa drop you decent comment comment section honom de ama mi share video e ma afoforo enya bi hwe wa like so de account se onso person send discount and from Ghana enko ade abuzet me use send wave money transfer app no now they are sending na bibia timi aye kama enche na se holidays aka wo we anim na send scabra na je se obusuafo no mfa ntwom no oba no oba bedi ni birthday send sca no mfa enko ye de and celebrate birthday na se bibia entimi enye kama de ya se ube use ye promo code JSXM2 user promo code we o first transaction obe no benya $20 free. I was say ye mobile money so and I'll send you and a bank account to grandpa obetimi use that app we aha Yalan Media Ghana midi the actual brony.